Hey everyone, want your YouTube TV to keep running all day without annoying pauses or shutdowns? I'll show you how to tweak settings so nothing stops the show. First, open YouTube TV on your device. Go to your profile, then Settings. Look for Autopause or Sleep Mode/Autopause option. Turn that off or set it to the longest available delay. Some users report that despite changing this, the device's settings still force sleep. Next, check your TV or streaming device's power/energy/sleep settings. On smart TVs, disable Auto Power Off or Eco Mode so the TV doesn't shut off after a period of inactivity. On devices like Chromecast, Fire Stick, Roku, etc., find the sleep timer or screensaver settings and either turn them off or set them to the maximum duration. Also, disable Autopause from YouTube TV itself, if present. Sometimes when you leave the app or there's inactivity, YouTube TV thinks you've gone idle and pauses playback automatically. If your device supports it, keep it awake or stay on mode. On Android-based TVs/boxes, sometimes there is a stay awake while charging or similar developer option. Finally, test by starting a show and leaving it on. Watch for a while to see if it still pauses or the screen dims. If it does, revisit settings for any missed sleep/timer or power-saving options. And there you have it. Your YouTube TV should now play all day with no interruptions. If this helped, hit like, share, and let me know your device so I can offer specific tips.